Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial. How to send Solana from your Phantom wallet to Bitmart in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this updated guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, I'll walk you through each step clearly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that you have some Solana in your wallet. Also, log into your Bitmart account and navigate to the deposit section for Solana. This is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and ensure you're connected to the Solana network. It's usually the default, but double-check to be safe. Once you're in, select your Solana balance from the main dashboard. Next, head over to Bitmart. Go to the deposit page for Solana and copy the unique deposit address provided. This address is like a specific mailbox for your funds, so don't share it with anyone else. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, click on the Send button. Paste the Bitmart deposit address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review everything. Check the address, the amount, and the network. It's Solana, right? Once you're good, confirm the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen. Approve it, and your Solana will start moving. Finally, wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on both Phantom and Bitmart for confirmations. And there you have it. You've successfully sent Solana to Bitmart. Pro tip. In 2025, crypto security is tighter than ever. So always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and double-check everything to prevent scams. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.